Okay, find the derivative by using implicit differentiation here. So we're going to do negative 6y, and we got it right, dy dx, okay, minus negative 15y squared, and we got it right, dy dx, okay, and equals, the derivative of 4 is 0, so we got that out of there. That's gone, and then 3x squared. Okay. So let's, step 2 is to isolate. Well, already got the dy dx's on one side, so we're actually skipping step 2 onto step 3, where we try to divide both of these dy dx's out in front so that they look like this. Okay. And then the blue stuff is still there, right? Because you divided out the dy dx's. Okay, final step. dy dx is on the left. We have multiplication, so we're going to divide all this blue stuff on the left over to the right. Isolate it, get it by itself. That's your answer. That's the derivative. Okay, implicit differentiation, one more time here. Derivative of 3x is 3. Okay, derivative of negative 4y is negative 4, but you got it right. dy dx, because you're working with y there. Plus, that's 6y squared. You got it right. dy dx. Okay, in this problem, all the dy dx's are on the right. That's good. Leave them there. Okay, so now we don't have to do step 2 and move things around at all. We got all the dy dx's on the right. We're going to divide them out. So we're going to pull these out in front by dividing them out or undistributing them or factoring them. So we have 1 dy dx, okay, and all the blue stuff is still going to be there. That's negative 4 plus 6y squared. Okay, so now we can solve for dy dx. dy dx on the right here. What's holding these two things together? Multiplication, so we'll divide all of this, gets divided to the other side. 3 divided by 6y squared. There's our derivative. That's our answer. Okay, 54 using implicit differentiation again. So let's do these one at a time. That's 6x squared plus 2. Got to write down dy dx here, because we're working on y, plus 4y, and we've got to do dy dx because we're working on y, taking the derivative of it, equals, people forget this, what's the derivative of 1? 0. Okay, don't forget that. All right, at this point, we've got a next step is to collect all the dy dx's on the left side or the right side. They're on the left, so leave them there, and bring this 6x squared, bring that over to the right by subtracting it. So we'll end up with this, 2 dy dx plus 4y dy dx equals, and we'll bring that 6x squared over by making it negative on the other side. It's negative 6x squared. Okay, step 3, isolate the dy dx's by, or kind of bring them back out by dividing them out, or undistribute them, or factor them out. That leaves you 2. Leaves you 2 plus 4y, and then we have equals negative 6x squared. Last step, what's holding these two things together? Multiplication, so we'll break it with division. We'll divide the blue stuff over to the right. So dy dx equals, and we have negative 6x squared, all divided by this stuff. There's our derivative.